Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're signed into the exact Facebook/Messenger account that had the conversation, because retrieval depends on that identity. Once done, open Messenger and check message requests and filtered messages to capture hidden threads. For Android or desktop, make sure a file manager or backup app is installed so you can access cached files. For iPhone, confirm iCloud backups are enabled. These steps let you reach the sources where deleted content may still exist. Now you pull the deeper sources. Request your Facebook data archive and choose messages only because that speeds download and isolates relevant files. While the archive processes, inspect local cache. On Android, check Android/data and browser cache on desktop, since attachments and text fragments sometimes remain there. Once the archive arrives, open the JSON or HTML messages file and use keyword searches, date ranges, or attachment filters to locate the deleted thread. This targeted search reveals remnants even after an app deletion. To finish, extract the conversation lines from the downloaded HTML or JSON, then copy and securely save any important text or media you find. Exporting to a separate file prevents accidental loss. Make sure to download linked attachments that may not display inline, because those often hold the missing content. If you find nothing, double-check you're using the correct Facebook account, verify the backup date includes the time frame you need, and inspect cache integrity. Sometimes re-requesting the archive resolves missing items.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.